Oh, my princess, you're the star in my sky. With every heartbeat, hear my lullaby. A love so pure, it knows no end. Forever and always, you're my little friend. Holding your hand, we dance through the years. With every laughter, we quiet our fears. You're my treasure, my joy, my pride. In this journey of love, you'll always be my guide. Oh, my princess, you're the star in my sky.
Padala ng
With every heartbeat, hear my love.
Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday to you.
So, may idea po kayo ma kung sino pa nagpadala? Okay. Walang pakumpi-kumpi. alam na ni ma'am kung sino ang nagpadala. Ma'am ha, basahin ko po ma'am ang mensahe ng may one and only beautiful princess, Argiana Carmel. Tama po ba yung pagka-pronounce ko ma'am? So, you have made me believe that daughters are truly angels sent by God. You're one of the greatest grace I ever got. You're not just my daughter, but my forever best friend, my inspiration, my life, and my whole world. Watching you grow day by day filled my heart with hope, joy, and pride. Being a mother to an adorable daughter like you is a great privilege I cherish so much. You're the reason I strive to be a better person. Argiana Carmel, life is filled with good and so hard times. Learn from everything. Be the woman I know you can be. We promise you that what we plan in you and more powerful than any storm you might face in life. Love, compassion, courage, patience, strong faith. It's okay to feel hurt, rejected, betrayed, frustrated. It's normal. Let your heart rest back. Please never give up. You must continue the journey even if the path leads you to an unexpected destination. Please always remember you're brave, capable. You can accomplish anything your heart desires. I know this because I'm your mother. My princess, as a mama, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. I have flaws. I forget things. Someday I'm sad. Weird. Please forgive me for my shortcomings. Thank you endlessly for changing a big part of me, my daughter. Words are not enough to express my unconditional love to you. Please always take good care. Put God at the center of your life. Happy blessed 19th birthday. I love you more than forever. Love unconditionally, Mama. So ano po ma'am ang masasabi niyo kay Mama sa ginawa niyang pa-surprise sa inyo ng arawan niyo? Dito po ma'am. Okay. Ayaw ko. Ma'am, pwede po ma'am. Ito po.
Oh, my princess, you're the star in my sky. With every heartbeat, hear my lullaby. A love so pure, stars.